Women's empowerment is wonderful movement in today's day and age. So I thought I would do a story about an organization formed by women almost 70 years ago. Delhi Commonwealth Women's Association grew from the dream and vision of a small group of women in 1952. They had just one aim: to make a difference in the lives of the less privileged. They worked tirelessly to make that dream come true. They realized that medical care and education was the need of the hour, and with their passion and zeal, they took it to amazing new heights. In 1986, DCWA established a full-fledged medical center in Zamrudpur village in the heart of South Delhi. All services are provided at a fraction of cost or gratis to the deserving. The medical center has been functioning throughout the pandemic and also has a mobile van to create health awareness and checkups. Realizing that change can come only through education, DCWA started a learning center in 1979, which has a preschool, special needs center and tutorial center today. DCWA provides each child with books, uniforms, learning material and nutritious snack daily. One-to-one therapy is provided by the counselors, therapists and volunteers. Family counseling sessions are also provided to help children with special needs to have a conducive home atmosphere for their progress. Young Minds is for tutorials and scholarships. This program helps nourish young minds, students from class 2 to 12, who are provided with tutorials in all subjects by volunteers and highly qualified teachers. Later, children are given an annual sponsorship plus a monthly stipend in cash to aid them in their school fees, uniforms and books. Children are aided from nursery to university level. Students have pursued various courses like Chartered Accountancy, BSc, BTech, BCom, B.Ed and BA. These grateful students then return to their fold as tutors and share their education. For skill development and women's empowerment, DCWA is running various certified short-term courses like hospital attendant programs, computer skills program, basic tailoring course, English conversation course, beautician course. All these students get gainful employment and support their families. How do they do this? DCWA receives no grant or aid from the government. It is funded entirely from contributions and donations from individuals and corporates. The annual International Bazaar is the main fundraiser event which has participants from all over the world and thousands of visitors in a single day. Despite the pandemic, the International Bazaar did manage various activities digitally. DCWA is able to function even in these difficult times thanks to large-hearted individuals and corporates who are there to lend a helping hand. So if you are in Delhi, volunteer to give DCWA your skills or time. Reach out to sponsor a child's education, help in the fundraiser event, contribute in kind for a child's nutrition, sponsor medical equipment, sponsor medical treatment, sponsor learning material or make a donation in whatever suits you. Nothing is too small as each drop counts. No one can do this alone. Your support is needed.